Hello and welcome to my 3D SmartPoster Goldmine review. So 3D SmartPoster Goldmine is a collection of 495 copy and paste prompts that you can use, you can put straight into ChatGPT, that you will be able to get stunning posters for kids. These are educational posters for kids, just like this one here. So this one here, by example, is why do we need to sleep? It gives you a good graphic here and some other graphics. It gives you the reasons why we need sleep. So that would be a really good poster to sell online. So you can use these images that you create as PLR. So you can give them away. You can sell them on Etsy. You can use them as a lead magnet. You can do all sorts of things with them. You can not only give them to educators, sell them to educators, you can sell them to other people as well, such as dentists. It would be good to put a poster in their waiting room and so the kids can look at this. So let me show you some really cool examples that they're showing on here. So what causes rain? How does snow form? What are clouds made of? Why does the sun feel hot? And as you can see, these images are tailored towards kids and they make it easy for them to read it. And they're tailored toward like a 5th grade level. So let me scroll down here and you're going to see some more. I'll get to that in a minute. So you'll see those. This one was, what is DNA made of? And here's some more. How do astronauts live in space? We're also going to show you how to put these in mock-ups as well to make it look good to sell. That's what they've done here. They put the images in a mock-up. What's the tallest mountain on Earth? What is an island? The 7 continents. So these could be very educational. Here's a bunch more. Why should I do when something feels hard? Why is it okay to make mistakes? Why do some places see snow and others don't? I mean, these are really cool. And there's 495 of them that you get in the front end deal. So let me scroll up here and I'll show you here what you get. So 495 smart prompts optimized for high impact 3D poster creation. You'll get the usage guide, which comes in PDF form. You get a bonus, which is a poster profit roadmap, which is a step-by-step guide. You get 100 ready to sell posters. You don't even have to do anything with, just ready to sell them. They're fully PLR. And Canva poster editable mockup bundle. To me, that's worth the front end price alone because those things are not cheap if you buy them other places. And a full PLR license included, which means that you can sell them, you can give them away, you can do whatever you want with them. And just keep in mind that you're going to be using ChatGPT to do this. So you do need a ChatGPT subscription, but you don't need the pro version. You don't need to have a paid subscription to make these. I recommend you do have the paid subscription though, because having the paid subscription will allow you to create more images than you would with the free version, because the free version does limit you and it doesn't let you do very many images at once. Let me go ahead and show you here. Let's see. This here is my reviews. After you click the button down below, click the link down below in the description, you're going to be taken to this image or to this page. Just click on this button here to whenever you're ready to go ahead and purchase. But I give you my review in this here. It's just very sweet, short, sweet, and to the point. There's some frequently asked questions. And if you scroll down here, you're also going to get a bonus from me. I've come up with a prompt for you that you can use to create your own, no matter what the topic is. You can just go ahead and insert the topic in that prompt and you can get these types of posters just like they're using here without having to just rely on what the ones that are given to you. That's coming straight from me. So in order for you to get that, you have to purchase through my link. And that is right here in this green button, either here or at the top of this page. And then when you get to the sales page, which is here, just go ahead and click on get instant access, any of these buttons anywhere on the page after you've looked over this page. But you can look over and see all of these really cool examples that it gives you. And then any of the images, the prompts that they give you to create any of these, you can go ahead and alter them the way you want them to look as well. So you're not even bound by the way that these look. You can make them look however you want. You can alter my prompt that I gave you throughout and do it the way you want. But just copy and paste my prompt in there, add your topic, and you're good to go. You're golden. So thank you for watching my 3D Smart Poster Goldmine review. If you liked the review and if it was helpful to you, please click the like below and leave a comment if you can. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.